Is it a good picture to have boxes in a garage that opens up all the time? A bathroom door locked. So, look, I don't want people to take these documents away, the vice president, Pence, but as a senator, you'd have to steal the documents. What concerns me is you have these, a lot of these documents behind a Corvette in a garage with the door wide open.
I don't know. I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to.
Like you're fighting with an idiot. There's no need to fight with an idiot. Yeah. That's just the dumbest argument, Willie. It's insane.
Been trolled. You've been trolled.
My brain is like oatmeal.
What kind of example?